Oh, that's the pre-engine start.
Yeah. They pre-engine start routine.
Yeah, pre-engine start routines. Fuel, ignition, neutral, engine,
electrical.
All right. The benefits of proper riding gear include knowledge, motorcycle skill, perceptual ability in traffic, degree of cooperation in traffic, likelihood of being in a crash, and your emotional commitment to riding safety. I'll just pass these around. Remember what number you picked, and we'll revisit this again tomorrow. All right. If I squeeze your front brake lever with your right hand, all right, we're going to go ahead and mount the motorcycle. Mike, if you'll turn those handlebars all the way to your left. Here you go. Throw your leg over, squeezing that front brake. You want to upright your motorcycle, square the bars, raise the stand. Let's see some good posture out there. Go ahead and put both hands on your bars. Good posture. Back straight, relaxed position, knees and elbows in. Fingers around the throttle with a flat wrist and the clutch covered. All right, lean your motorcycle slightly to the left. Square it back up. Lean it to the right. Square it back up. Turn your handlebars fully to the right. The other right. Keep your hands on the bars. Square it back up. Turn them to the full left. Everybody square your bars back up. With a flat wrist, roll on fully to the throttle.
See, that's where the problem is.
Wow. Keeping your wrist flat, right? Fully. Roll off. All right, guys. This is part 3. Friction zone is about right here on each one of these motorcycles, okay? Friction zone is out, it's all the way out. Clutch is in, it's all the way in. You have no power this way, you have all the power this way. The friction zone is in the middle. Right? For the most part, they're different, but for the most part, they're the same, if that makes sense. Throttle use with the friction zone. It's gaining more power, more friction, more throttle, right? As you're coming off, throttle in. Roll off the throttle as you're squeezing in the clutch. Ooh.
Okay. But it's a 360 camera. I can do the edit.
Oh, really? Oh, that's cool. Wrap your hand around the throttle.
There we go. No accidental braking here. What are you looking at? There we go. Remember, this is a feel. So what's the magic F word? Feel. I like it. There you go. See, you do a little too quick. So get it to 3, and 3's a different. No, don't look at it. Don't look at it. Right. How you get a body like mine? Like. There's your 3. Feel it start to pull. A little bit more. A little bit more. Now you feel it pull. Now squeeze it in. Now push it back with your feet. Squeeze it in. Squeeze it out. Kind of heel to go heel to toe. Relax. Woosah. You're breathe. Let the air in and out of your body. Good. That's all it is. You're just that's what you're learning. You're learning the friction. Does that make sense? If you say no, fine. I have other answers. Yeah, that's true. If you ever get nervous, just squeeze the button. I ain't coming to check you. Don't want to look at me. Easy enough. That's what you're looking for. Perfect. How you doing? How you doing all the way down here at the very, very end? Or maybe this is the beginning. Who knows? Right. You start to see how you get a body like mine. Let the bike do the work. You don't want to help the motorcycle run, right? See what you got. At night time, don't look at your hands. What are you looking at? Oh my goodness. There you go. Good. Easy enough, isn't it? Yeah, it's just like a sewing machine. You don't help punch the needle through. You just gotta let the machine do the work. Same thing here. It's just a really big sewing machine.
Yeah.
That's all it is. Try to do your head and eyes up. Try not to look at anything. Like, this way you're doing it by feel.
Yeah.
Ah, there you go. Ah, oh man, what a difference. Yeah. You getting it okay? Getting it okay? Should be good. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. That's 100%. Every bike is slightly different. Look at it. Do it all like this. Yes, yeah, it's going to take a minute to program your hands and how it all works. The same thing is if you jump in someone else's car, if you listen to the brakes, different. Either they'll be mush or they'll be super sensitive. Not bad. Doing good. All right, how's it coming on this end?
Pretty good. Once we got the mic turn, we're good to go.
Yeah, yeah. You know what you're learning from this? Fuel injection is amazing. That is fuel injection is amazing. And it's just by feel. Remember the magic F? Feel. Yeah, we're going to test and see if this mic's really good. All right, here we go. Going to part 2. Power walk. A little bit more throttle.
Yeah. Does it need to be a big one?
Let go of the brake. Just put your hand on the throttle. Let the bike do it. Don't walk out. Like full power. Touch out a little bit more. There we go. Now you're feeling it. See?
Oh, there we go.
Put your elbows down. All right. See the tension? And all just let release. I want to be close to the back. We'll fix it later. There you go. Great. Perfect. Put it back in neutral. Put the left hand in the air when you find it. And then he'll point to you. He got you. He got you. See, now you're like at the red light and your hand's not burning out because you're squeezing the clutch the whole time. There you go. Same concept. Better? Hey, you know what's even more fun? Going this way across the parking lot instead of this way. It's coming soon.
turn your handlebars that way. Walk it, turn it around.
All the way to the right, and all the way to the left. Hard left.
Oh, my grill like that, Jeff.
Hands up, and on the throttle, off the brake. Good. A little bit of throttle. Yeah, take that stuff. You're just kind of out for safety. Just kind of tap it. Tap where the wall. See the difference? Try to get close to your car. Hold your clutch in, you brake and stop. It's my hand on your hand.
Oh, make sure you find neutral with your
Man,
left hand
Gen
up.
Z, man, I don't know what to tell you. I was like, yeah. She's like, what am I doing wrong? They're gonna be hanging.
Good job. All right, everybody. Look that way, turn around, we'll do it again.